everyone, welcome to Ghar Se one more time. It's been a while, I know. I'm your chef Pankaj and today I'm gonna show you how to make bundi curry. Usually everybody make curry pakodi, but I just give a little twist on this one. I'm adding bundi, but I'm gonna make the bundi with the same thing, same ingredients, same thing. But I'm gonna let you guys know one thing. My channel name was Khaugali. Now it's changed to as a Food Rishta. Food Rishta means relation with food. So stay tuned with Food Rishta. And now we're gonna talk about bundi curry. So now I will show you what all we need to make bundi curry. Come here, I'm gonna show it. So first, of course, you're gonna need besan. So gram flour, everybody knows about it. It's just a half cup. Then you need yogurt or curd, 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste, just take like a four cloves. Then more besan, it's like another half cup. Chili powder, turmeric, salt, curry leaf, red chili, and 5 spice foreign, or you can say punch foreign. That all we need to make curry, not adding anything extra. Okay, so let's start with the bundi. So for bundi, you're gonna take like a half cup of besan, and then I'm not gonna add anything, just gonna add a water. So I'm gonna add slowly. I'm not gonna add too much because I have to make a bundi. So I'm gonna mix it a little bit, and let's see how it's gonna look like. So I have to make it little thick consistency. So if you want like a best bundi, then you have to do one thing. You have to use this blender, or if you have a whisker, you can whisk it with this one. But I have this, so I'm gonna use this one. So we need to keep like this consistency. Let's see. It should be perfect for the bundi. Okay, for bundi, my batter is already ready. So you can do one thing. You can use this kind of utensils, strainer, or if you have this strainer or any kind of strainer with a small hole, you can use this. Okay, I'm using this strainer. My oil is hot already. I set my whole area, so I can strain it and put it over here. So you have to keep your oil medium hot, and then put it in. So you can see how it's coming down there. Or you can use your hand, move your finger like this. You can see your lovely bundi is ready down there. So it's gonna take like only 3 minutes. Not even 3 minutes, it's 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, that's it. So now my bundi is ready, so I'm gonna strain it now. So let's see. Now you can see this. This is the perfect bundi. So nice and crunchy. So I'm gonna make a little more with the same process. You can see. And rest after that, I'm gonna show you how to make curry. So our bundi is ready. So now we're gonna prepare for the curry. So we have to make a mixture for that one. So first I'm gonna take 1 cup yogurt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half cup of besan, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm not gonna add the salt right now, otherwise it's gonna be too runny. And then I have a liquid left over from the bundi, so I'm gonna add it in there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more water in this. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna mix it so I don't see any lumps. So there is no lumps. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more water. You need to add lots of water. You don't have to worry about that one, because when you start cooking, it's gonna get more thicker, because you have to give a good boil, and besan gonna get thicker slowly. So my consistency is good. I'm gonna just leave it like this. So this one is ready. Now we have to cook it. So for that we have to take a pan. So I take a pan and put some oil on there. You can use like 2 tablespoons. And let it hot. And as you know, we have like red chili, curry leaf, and a punch foreign. So we're gonna temper with this. So let's check the oil. It's not ready yet. So we're gonna wait for like 40 more seconds. Just you have to focus on one thing, like you can't cook it on a high flame. You have to start cooking on a slow flame. But if you're gonna cook it on a hot flame, like a high flame, then your curry gonna be curdled. So you have to be conscious about that one. It's only 15 to 20 minute process, that's it. So my oil is ready almost. Yes, it's ready. So I'm gonna put everything. Mix it a little bit. So as soon as you're gonna put this one in, you can smell the flavor, but don't cook it too much. And now, as you see, the oil inject all the flavors. Now I'm gonna put the curry mixture. Then we're gonna cook it slowly. So as you see, this one looks thick. So I have to add a little bit more water in here. So I will add another half cup and mix it together. So as you see this one, just make sure you have to stir it all the time. If you're gonna stop stirring, then it's gonna stick at the bottom and it's gonna ruin your taste of the curry. But still I think it's a little bit more thick. That's the thickness I need afterward. So I need to boil for like 10 minutes. So I will add a little bit more water. Cook the mixture. So by the time this curry is cooking, we're gonna make some rice. So we can eat rice and bundi curry. So now you can see this is boiling. So this one is ready. So now I'm gonna add the salt as per the taste. So some people eat like lots of salt, some eat less. So just add it as per your taste. And now I gonna add bundi on this one, and I will turn it off. And after that, it's ready to go. So your bundi curry is ready, and I'm gonna serve you with rice right now. So hope you're gonna like my cooking, and I can't wait to eat that one. So please cook it and let me know how it tastes, so I can cook some more food for you. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you another time. Bye.